Lover with you, love with you. Feels so true, feels so new. Love with you.
Yeah. Kinakat na yung tree namin. Baby, be careful! Ayun na! B, your head is in there. See? I think you start with the small. You start with the small one. Papi, tinatanggal namin to kasi baka mamaya pag nagkaroon ng thunderstorm, bumaksak yan, masisira yung aming garage. So bumili kami ng pantanggal ng mga ganyan. Tatanggal muna ng asawa ko yung pang sinampay. Sabi ko, pipulin na lang eh.
So this will go to my work to get the metal ladder because we're gonna need the van anyway.
Yeah.
So we can. Well,
Where we gonna put this one then?
well, we can't take this out to the compost because they're not open today.
Oh.
So we'll just have to set it aside. You know, I'm just gonna use a wooden ladder. I don't want to go to the floor.
Okay.
And then when Tuesday, I'll take it out to the compost. Can we just get it off?
I told you.
It just take too long doing this.
Yan. I-trim lang ng asawa ko yung tree. Hindi na namin tatanggalin kasi sayang din. I-trim lang namin. Nililiitan lang namin para hindi siya maraming sanga. Kasi natatakpan yung yung araw kailangan namin para dun sa aking garden. So yeah, mga chupapi. Maybe you need some gloves.
No. For what?
Make it smaller tree. Gawin
I'll use the machine to cut it out smaller later.
Oh my God. This is very sharp.
Yes, it is for now. Okay, you ready? We'll go down.
Oh my. Ang laki kasi ng pulong to eh. Maybe make it smaller a little bit. So that way it's not gonna break.
Be alright. If I do little by little, it'll take too long.
Makatulong lang eh, no? Naglalaro lang yata ako rito. Maganda na. Oy! Wag the wire! Read the wire!
Huh?
Make it smaller little by little. So that way you're not gonna get...
Be alright.
You done? That one? Asawa. Uy, baby, that's big! Okay. Small lang pala. Bang! What else? You cut the branch first. The smaller so we can see. Ang laki ng puno, no? Kasi Papi. Told you it's heavy. You break the roof? You break the roof?
No, that's a small damage.
Oh. Told you it's big.
Okay.
Tigas ang bungo mo. Ayun, gagawin mo na naman yung roof na yan.
Oh, there's a leak there. Can you bring me one of the square cardboard so I can put it on here so the next one doesn't fall down and break?
What cardboard?
The square cardboard?
The
I mean,
wood?
Wood, yeah.
Oh, that's big. Oh, ano?
Good thing I put this here.
You break the roof?
Look at the damage. I did not think it was going to be that heavy, but
I told you it's heavy. If it's big.
apparently it is.
Little by little only. That one, Bill. That one on the top, the small, with a lot of leaves. Yeah, that one.
Okay, I'm going to trim this first. Hold on. Please don't roll back.
Laki kasi ang puno namin.
What the heck? Dad, what are you doing on the roof? Can I get on the roof?
No.
How do you even get up there?
I know, ladder.
I want to go up there.
No, Danny, because the ladder is not good.
Dad, can I go up there?
No.
Okay. Cause I wanted to cut the tree too. Cause I love cutting stuff.
Stay there.
Okay, I'll watch too.
Diba? Laki. Yeah, that one. Careful. It's very sharp.
It's fine.
Danny. Oh, see? Hurt you?
No, it's just dead skin.
Okay. Nah, give me that.
Okay. Can't I go up there? So cool. There you go. Where you guys gonna put it?
big.
Where you guys gonna put it?
Yeah.
I can reach it.
Hoy, Danny! Masisira. B, Danny is going on the ladder, oh.
Hey, stay down there.
I can reach it though.
No, stay down there.
The ladder's not good. This one.
Where? Here?
Yeah. It's a smaller branch.
Oh, there's still a lot there that I'm not going to move.
Yeah.
They're not be in the garage, but
I can reach it.
you can't trust me.
I wanna go on the roof.
See?
Coming down.
Yeah, coming down.
Can I do it?
No.
Baby, put some wood on the one that you broke.
Well, it's not going to protect it from water, even if you put wood on top of that.
This is very light.
Careful, Danny.
It's light, but it's not.
So, ayun yung binili namin mga chupapi sa Lowe's. $159. Danny, don't do that on the ground because it's gonna break.
Stand down, don't play with that.
What do you I really like Have you ever seen the train running in tracks? Yeah, I really like the train.
There's a small damage on the roof. Something fell on there.
Putulin pa namin yung mga gilid. Mga chupapi.
Can you guys just maybe start dragging it? Maybe drag it back there. Well, that'll be in your way. Just drag it over here. Drag it all over here. You know, Tuesday I'll take it out of the console. Okay. I think we have a lot we should put for now. I'm gonna use this to cut these apart.
Alam mo ka chupapi, oh. Nakat na namin yung kalahati doon. Yun pala yung nakakat namin.
Cut it up into smaller pieces. So it's easier to ball. Take the gloves off. You don't need the gloves. What button? You don't need to cut that one anymore.
What you gonna
Big
cut?
ones into smaller pieces. You see how I cut this one already?
Ah,
Like that.
oh, it's not working?
I just don't know how to do this right now.
Maybe it's not working. Maybe it's low battery. Yeah, I guess it's low battery.
How to do it?
I have it on right here. I have it
Oh,
on.
turn that. Sure. I'll do it. Let me do it. You help her drag it over there, okay?
Okay.
I'll do it.
It's low battery.
Probably not low battery.
Oh, you have to turn that.
Yeah.
I thought you had to turn the big one. Can I do it again?
Start dragging it over there. I'll let you do a few after we're done, okay? Start dragging it. Start the big one up. Smallest piece.
Baby, you cannot cut this one.
Dad. Dad, you got this one over here?
Huh?
Here. Oh, you have an open cut. One of the back cuts to get in the packaging.
Maybe when you bring the van, we can go over here, the van, so it's easy.
When you guys coming? When you guys leaving?
So, ayan mga ka-chupapi yung binili namin. Tumataas siya. B, how long is that? 10 length?
10 foot.
10 foot? So, ayan. Tumataas siya. Ito yung pwede siyang buktungan para mas mataas yung maabot mong puno. So, hanggang 10 foot siya mga ka-chupapi. Diba? Parang aliwanag na ng bahay, B. Our house become more brighter. Because of the tree. Remove some tree, no? Liwanag, umaliwanas.
Oh, this might not even fit inside the van.
Yeah, you need to cut more. Yun pa, gusto ko tanggalin niya yung ano nandun. Ayun o, kachupapi, ang laki.
You know what I mean?
This is what I want you to cut oh.
Here?
So I have a lot of lights coming here.
Let me get this station again.
And ay mga kachupapi. 159 lang bilhin natin no. $159, right?
Yes, after tax, 165 or something.
Oh, including the battery na mga kachupapi.
I know it won't come up. What the hell?
So buti na lang naisip ko. Kasi nakita ko sa TikTok to eh. Kaysa mag ano ka, hire ka ng magpuputol ng puno. Kinakabit lang siya. So, pinapatanggal ko yun sa asawa ko eh.
I'm gonna need that chair. put the chair over there.
Yan na po, umaakit na po siya. Hala! Careful, baby. Tignan natin kung kaya ng asawa ko tanggalin yan. Very high.
There's not enough space area to climb onto. If I go there, I have to bend down, so it's not safe. There's not enough safe places to climb onto there. So I have to bend down.
So bumili kami ng ganyan para yung mga daga hindi pupunta sa ating plants. Ito, nasa $26 ang isa. So dalawa yung binili ko. Hindi ko lang alam kung kasya. And then ito naman, bumili kami ng 8. $2 yata. To $6 ang isa. So, yan yung ating garden, mga kachupapi. Nakita ko kasi yung squirrel, mga kachupapi. Kinakain yung mga tanim ko. Salbahe. Baby, hold on. What's your plan?
You don't know?
No.
One here, one here, one here, one here. Fence goes around. You put the net on top.
And what about on the other side? This one?
One here, one here, one here, one here. Fence goes around.
Well, I wanna do it like square, like this.
No. Because if you do that, how are you going to put the fence on top? I mean, the net on top.
The net is very big.
Oh, you just do it this way, so it's small.
Oh.
You get what I'm saying?
Hey, Hey, what about the plants in there outside? Where I'm gonna put down one? Planning
And
to.
you do it separately.
Hello, it's ugly.
Yeah, that's how you do it.
I want one here, one there, one there, one there, one there, one there.
Doing the fence then, because you have nothing covering the top. You get what I'm saying?
I have
What are you going to cover on the top?
the net in there.
Every time you have to destroy the net to get to it. But if you do it this way, it's very small. You just take the net off. You get what I'm saying? It's a very small fence around here, small fence around there. You get it?
Yeah, but I don't have space for other my plants.
And we create a new one.
And then I'm gonna buy a new one there.
Yeah. You'll probably have extra left over. You just want to create a big one around it? That's not what I was thinking. Fine. Where's your way? Just tell me where you want it.
Here.
Here?
Yeah. And then straight line there, and then straight line here, straight like a box.
Here?
Mm-hmm.
I don't need your help. Hold this.
Okay.
No, hold this. So it's not straight, you're just pointing the stick onto here.
Yeah, this way. Okay, go.
Whatever. That's it. Go down and back over.
O, diba? Simple lang.
I think this should be funny. And we get a smaller one. Otherwise, we're gonna have to return all of these and then get taller ones.
Pacho pa, pinatanggalan namin yung puno. Oh. Konti na lang. Yay! Yeah, natanggal na naman. So, ibabalik namin yung nabili namin kasi medyo malaki siya. Papalitan namin ng maliit. 2 inches, 3 inches. Ang ganun.
Okay.
So, babalik kami sa Lowe's, mga kachupapi. Let's go. Pabili na kami mga kachupapi. Ito mas maliit. Tapos, aanin na naman daw ng asawa ko. Papalibutan niya ng ganyan. So, maliit lang yung ating garden, mga kachupapi. Wala kasing budget eh. Kaya ito lang yung nabili. Actually, mahal din to. Kala ko mura lang. Mahal pala na ito. What?
Make my wire cutter. Oh, there it is.
Don't open all of it because maybe we're gonna return the 2.
Yeah, okay. One more thing.
Getting cold. Maliwanag namin. Maaliwanas na be. When you cut that tree, it's very bright.
It's a little bit brighter.
So yan. Diba? Medyo mahaba siya dahil.
Did we use up all the poking stick?
Yeah.
Yeah, we did.
Nice. I have a friend now. Nice, baby. Thank you.
Maybe we might only need 2 after all.
Yeah. 2 only. No. You bought a lot. Yay. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Make it deeper so that way the one is not going under.
What do you mean?
Under here. Know what I mean?
Lower?
Yeah, lower.
Okay, so
Yes. Ang galing naman ng asawa ko. Yeah. Ay, very smart ah.
we'll make use of this. This way is stable. And then whenever you want to take it off, you just cut it.
Yep. So, gagawin namin ito mga chupapi hanggang doon. Pa-square siya. So, bumili yung asawa ko ng pampatay ng ng langgam. Kasi ang dami namin langgam dito. Ayan sinisira yung
See if it works.
Hey, it's gonna rain, baby. Don't put it yet.
It's okay if it rains.
No, it's okay. You're gonna waste that.
Water don't affect these.
Yeah, put it here. Yan,
Water does not affect these. Oh, are you serious?
tingnan yung bike ko. Kukuha siya ng kahoy. Tingnan ko yung gawa ng asawa ko dito. Ay. Ay. Ano to? Laro. Hindi, kakaberang ko yan mga kachupapi. Tignan mo naman to. Hindi kasi pantay yung rito, yung lupa rito. Kaya ganito siya eh. Pero ayan na yung nagawa ng asawa ko. Wala kasing pera mga kachupapi. Pasensya na. Yan na yung afford ng asawa ko. Pero okay naman. Maganda naman. Kung ako lang may pera, ipapaano ko talaga to. Pero okay naman. Thank you, Lord. Maganda naman yung gawa ng asawa ko. Kukubiran ko lang to ng dito kasi yung mga rabbit pumupunta rito yun, nakakaasar. So ayan. Ito tatanggalin ko nga. Gusto ko patanggal sa asawa ko. Kaya lang may kuryente rito eh. Pero lumuwanag no. Kachupapi natanggal ng konti. Did you put?
No. Probably didn't. You want to go check on them? You can go check on them. I'm just going to do this and then I'm done.
Oh, it's kind of like salt.
Yeah. So even if the rainwater get in there, it doesn't affect it.
Mm.
So that's why I say I don't want the powder, because the powder is very fine. So when the wind blow it or the water get on it, it just gets destroyed. But these are heavy, so then it'll be okay. Anywhere in their hands, put it on there. They're gonna take it inside. Everybody's gonna feast on it, and then it's gonna be poison. Sorry guys, but I don't want you here.
I know, it's a lot for my, my
Everywhere
plants.
that they're at, I'll pour it. The guy says it works, so I guess we'll find out.
So mga kachupapi, tapos na kami sa labas. Mukhang pagod na yung asawa ko rin. So hanggang dito na yung ating vlog. Thank you kachupapi for watching. Nag-update lang ako sa inyo ng mga ganap namin dito sa bahay. Okay, hanggang dito na yung ating vlog. Thank you for watching.